In this video, you'll learn how to integrate Microsoft Bookings with Microsoft Teams so that your appointments automatically include an online meeting link. This is really useful if you're running virtual consultations, training sessions, or any kind of remote meeting and want everything to be set up for you and your customers without extra manual steps. To get started, open Microsoft Bookings in your browser and sign in with your work or school account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard for your booking calendar. The integration we're setting up happens at the service level, which means we're going to tell each service to automatically create a Teams meeting whenever someone books it. Look toward the navigation area, usually on the left-hand side, and find the option labeled Services. Go ahead and select the Services tab. This is where all of your available offerings live, such as consultations, support calls, training sessions, or any other type of appointment you've set up in Bookings. On the Services page, you'll see a list of your existing services, along with basic details like the name and duration. If you already have a service that you want to use with Microsoft Teams, you can modify it instead of creating a new one. To do that, click on the name of the existing service you'd like to update. This will open the detailed settings for that particular service. If you don't have a suitable service yet, or you want to create a new type of appointment specifically for online meetings, choose the option to add a new service. When you click Add New Service, Bookings will open a blank service form where you can define exactly how this appointment should work, including its name, description, duration, and other options. Whether you're editing an existing service or creating a new one, the integration with Microsoft Teams is controlled from the same place. In the Service Details window, look for the section labeled Basic Details. This section contains key information that defines the core behavior of your service, and it's where you'll find the setting that connects Bookings with Microsoft Teams. Within Basic Details, locate the switch or toggle labeled Add Online Meeting. By default, this might be turned off, especially if you've never changed it before. When this setting is off, bookings for this service will not automatically include a Teams link, and you would have to manually set up an online meeting for each appointment. To integrate the service with Microsoft Teams, simply turn this switch to the on position. Once you do that, Bookings will automatically create a Microsoft Teams meeting whenever someone books this service. The confirmation email and calendar event will include a Teams meeting link, making it easy for both you and your customer to join the appointment with a single click. After toggling Add Online Meeting to On, make sure to save your changes before leaving the page. Look for the Save or Save and Close button and select it. This step is important. If you navigate away without saving, your settings won't be applied and the Teams integration for that service won't work. From this point on, any new booking created for that service will automatically include a Microsoft Teams meeting link. You can repeat the same steps for any other services you want to run online, and that's all you need to do to integrate Microsoft Bookings with Microsoft Teams for your services.